Alright, alright. Oh, okay, I'm done. Come on, guys, let me do this ish, okay? Alright. Hey guys, it's Joey here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my home. It feels really, really weird saying that after almost a month off YouTube. Yeah, let me just explain myself before we get into what we're doing today. This is future me. I already filmed the video, but I realized during editing, I was literally editing like a few minutes ago, and I realized, hey, I didn't do an intro or an outro. What, what a great YouTuber I am. Oh my god, like, it's literally like almost gonna be midnight, and I'm supposed to be in bed and up at 8 in the morning, and I'm here just making videos. Yeah. But anyway, I kind of just wanted to give you a life update and then once again go over what we're going to be doing today. Let's just begin. I haven't been on YouTube for literally a month. Nothing has changed. I mean, nothing drastic has happened or anything, but however, there is like some personal issues that I've been having. Nothing too serious, just kind of life. It's just basically life works in crazy ways sometimes, and you just gotta learn how to roll with it. So that's what I've been doing. School has been up the butt lately. Yeah, it's so stressful. Who knew that college was going to be stressful? I thought it was going to be easy. Also, I just want to say that I'm not quitting YouTube or anything. However, I'm not taking YouTube seriously, you know, as of right now, as of today. I'm not an entertainer. I'm not getting paid. It's not a priority right now. As of right now, you know, I'm still new to the game. I barely have like a handful of subscribers, which I thank you guys so much for not unsubscribing. But if you guys are new, please click it. It'll be a great help. But in reality, I've just been really busy with school, and there's just a few weeks left before I finish my first semester in college. It's been a rocky turn. It's been really rocky. I've been doing a lot even out of school, to like family and errands I need to do, stuff that I need to get once again done. It could be a lot, especially if you're just focusing on school and stuff and not actually, you know, working and getting your money, which I do get my money, but you know, that's a different story. And yeah, I just been really taking a break off social media. Not really. I mean, like, if you guys know me, which most of you do, I post frequently on my Instagram and my Snapchat. I'll put them right here, and I'll also leave it down in the description. That's where you could find me more frequently if you guys just are curious to see what I'm doing, how my well-being is, or if I'm really MIA. You know, that's where I frequently post, which I will be posting a lot soon. I have a lot coming, and I'm very excited about that. I have a few videos planned, actually. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I've been on a creator's block. There's just so much to YouTube that has already been done that it's really hard to think creatively. Okay, what is something that no one has done before? You know, it's very impossible when everybody has literally done every single thing that you have possibly thought of doing or thinking about. Yeah, but I have put together a few video ideas I finally am going to be able to do. And I will be posting in a few days, so I will guarantee that. I don't have a video schedule yet. We'll see. That is yet to be determined as well. And just to put this all together, just to kind of put this in a whole, I'm fine. I'm doing great. You know, I'm kind of stressed right now. School's just once again up the ass, but you know what? I'm getting there. I'm pulling through. I'm independent. I'm very excited. I'm very happy. I have all my friends behind my back. I have all my family supporting me. Everything's cool. Everything's great. So my whole life as a whole is doing really well. Just a little bit stressful, but once again, school ends in a few weeks. Hopefully I'll get everything done by the grace of God. And yes, that is it for my life update. But if you guys have any more questions, you could always DM me and stuff like that, which some of you do. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much. Hopefully, I promise you, I'll try not to go all hiatus on YouTube ever again. But No promises. Sorry, not sorry. But let's go over for what we're doing today. I am basically going to be showing you my hair routine, my hair care routine. Basically, I don't do this every single day. I do shower every day, but I don't do this remedy, this home remedy every day. I do it once a week, and that is basically, let me just show you the bottle. Oh, drop something. Let me just show you the bottle. It is organic coconut oil. I put this on my hair once a week, or at least I try to put coconut oil on my hair once a week. It does wonders. It's 100% virgin coconut oil. So, girl, if you know you're a virgin, you're pure. Okay, I will never say it again. Sorry. But yeah, basically, I put it through all my hair, and I let it sit for about an hour. You could do it overnight. I can't do it. It's too fucking oily. And also, you just kind of like massage it onto your scalp and everything. That kind of helps relaxes your scalp and, you know, really progresses hair growth as well. As you can see, my roots are growing out really, really long. I mean, this is long to me, but like, you know, it could be short to some other people, but as you can see, it is doing something to my hair. Also, I used like a bottle of Sugar Bear hair. I don't know if it works or not, but I used one bottle. I probably will get another one, and maybe we'll test it out for a YouTube video as well. But once again, I do just put it all over my hair, let it soak in for an hour, and then go rinse it on the shower. There's no particular products that I use. You know, I just use a generic shampoo and conditioner that I buy, you know, randomly. So that is it. This is my life update, plus what we're going to be doing in this video today. I am not going to be talking anymore. Just gonna let the video speak for itself after this. So if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Recommend more videos down in the comment section down below. My Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter will be right here, also down in the description. I am going to go back to doing my lively duties, and hopefully I'll see you guys freshly back here in a few days. I promise you, I won't go MIA. I won't have a long hiatus on YouTube ever again. Well, hopefully ever again. And without further ado, let's get this video started. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys freshly back here in my next video. Bye guys.